We've got a brand new marketing year coming up and all the gurus are saying it. Video is really important and it will stay that. It would almost get boring if video didn't come in loads of shapes and sizes. In this video I will show you a really handy gadget so you can just easily make vertical and horizontal videos and you can be visible with your videos on any platform. I'm Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, you can easily make your own videos that stand out and make your audience remember you. So subscribe to this channel because I'm helping you one video at a time. They call them short form videos and they've grown really popular over the last few years. Well, you're probably watching them too. Short form doesn't mean anything else than a short video, maybe less than a minute or even up to 90 seconds or 2 minutes. That's all short form. But the platforms that are really popular with the short form videos usually don't only ask for a short video, but also for a video that is vertical instead of horizontal. Like this. So it seems obvious. Just flip over your smartphone and start making your vertical videos. But do you know what the marketing gurus are also saying? That YouTube is and will remain really important for being found on the internet as an entrepreneur. And on YouTube, the average video is 10 minutes and horizontal. How do you keep up? Well, by making both types of videos. And this selfie stick doesn't help me, but I did find an easy tool that will help you switch between horizontal and vertical videos so you can make any video you want or need. You can attach this smartphone mount to any selfie stick or tripod with a universal connection. And then you can choose for each video. Do you film like this or like this? My favorite selfie stick has this mount for your smartphone and there's no room to fit this one on. But you can also mount another holder and this has a universal connector that will fit. Use the white connector with the white screw and then attach the iPow smartphone mount. And then you can record your video vertically and horizontally. So just keep making your videos vertically and horizontally. If you want to place your short vertical video on YouTube, remember it shouldn't be any longer than 59 seconds. And in the title or the description, you have to write #shorts. On Instagram, your short vertical video can be up to 90 seconds. And on TikTok, already 3 minutes. But that could all be different by tomorrow. Did you make a video that you are proud of? I'm very curious. I would like to see it. So place the link to that video in the comments below. And I will show you a video with an advice that I'm sort of proud of myself. And I'm sharing it right here. Ach, wat mooi.